Good morning. Today's date is September 17th, 2021, and we're looking at the weather satellite here. Well, we're supposed to be. Oh, there we go. We can see that there's a thunderstorm forming here to the southeast of California, along with a handful of fires here. The smoke seems to be drifting to the northeast, but we do have an air met for this stuff down here, and we'll have to see how that dissipates throughout the day. We have a marine layer off the coast. So you should see probably some poor visibility along the coast of California. Moving on to our METAR, we can see Bakersfield's currently reporting calm winds with 5 miles visibility, haze, smoke, clear skies, temperatures 18, 2.4, altimeter 29er, 89er. See, past 6 hours, we saw a trend of about 8 statute miles visibility, relatively calm winds, and some nice low temperatures. See something's out. A little $ right here. We look at the TAF, we can see that Bakersfield's reporting winds variable at 5, or will be, plus 6 miles visibility, clear skies. See that it'll pick up to 9 gusting 15, be the highest it probably gets. And we can see some overcast layers down in Oxnard and LAX. But the wind's not that bad. Highest winds is LAX with 260 at 12. If we look at our national forecast chart, we can see that little thunderstorm down there is going to create some rain for Phoenix with this little low down here, but we probably won't see any of that rain here in California. Got this low straight through the center, almost right over Bakersfield along the little trough up here. As for our aviation weather overview, we can see that there's a very tiny little convective sigma for that thunderstorm and then some icing. We can see the marine layer right here. Moderate turbulence all over the western United States, and then some mountain obscuration for that smoke that we saw from those fires. Looking at our 500 millibar chart, just want to take a look at these winds. We can kind of see that the winds are kind of high. You can actually see it getting into the purple over here on the east side of the United States. So winds today are going to be pretty high, at least at altitude. And if we look at our chart here, we can actually see 13Z, really high altitude winds, but relatively low winds down here where we are. Whoop. Let me refresh that. There we go. We can see that winds are from 030 calm, and that's at 2,000 feet. And as we climb up to about, let's say 5,000 feet, it's from 050 at 4. So winds are not too bad right now. If we look at 19Z, we can see what we'll see today. We can see winds will be almost from 30 at 4 knots at 1,000. And then as we climb up to 3,000 feet, it's 310 at 2 knots. Looks like it's not going to be that bad. A little bit of wind shear up top. We can see that as we climb to about 5,000 feet, it's coming from 140 at 13 knots. So that's something to look out for today. That's it for your morning weather briefing. Please make sure to get an updated briefing before your flight and have a wonderful day.